We have a Gottlieb sound and speech board in my black hole. This is from a Caveman. And the problems I found with this board was a dead 6532, a whole bunch of ripped cap traces, and I don't recommend that, I'll say, amateurs go and try to recap this board because the traces underneath there are very fine, or the through holes weren't large enough diameter, or I don't know, whatever it is. Every time I get a board in here that somebody's recapped, those traces are ripped up. So I took the caps off there that somebody installed and put the correct diameter or leg pitch cap back on there. Put a socket where the LM379 is, and I'm gonna have to lash that thing down with zip tie or something. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, this version of the board, or Caveman, does not require the SC01. And I have created this panel now with my test device on here, so I'm going to be able to do this one-handed as we walk through the sounds. Here's sound 1, 2. 2 seems to vary. Here's 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. There is no sound at 16. 17. 'Some of those sounds will just go on forever. 18, apparently no sound. Whoops. Here's 19. Alexa, turn off black hole. Alexa, turn on black hole. Sometimes, at least I'm not aware of a way to stop the sound. There's probably something in interface that'll allow that. But here's 20. Little cricket sound. 21. 22. 23. That's kind of cool. 24. 25. 26, 27, nothing there, 27, 28. They may have stopped putting sounds this far down. Yeah, that's it. That's all the sounds for Caveman. And I have another board that the client also sent, and I did the same kind of testing with that board, and I've recapped this one also. And this one is also good to go. Thank you so much for sending them.